Welcome back to Happy Smile English. Today, let's talk about shopping. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like it, but I don't shop very often. I usually buy only what I really need.
That's smart. I enjoy shopping too, especially when I find good deals or discounts.
Discounts make everything better. When I see a 50% off sign, my heart starts dancing.
Same here. What things do you usually shop for?
Mostly clothes and small items for my home. Sometimes I buy snacks too.
I shop for clothes and books. Books always bring me happiness, even when I don't plan to buy them.
Yes, books can be dangerous. You go in to buy one, and suddenly you have three.
Exactly. Do you prefer shopping online or going to the store?
I like online shopping. It's easy, and I don't need to leave my house.
Online shopping is very convenient, but sometimes I want to see or touch the product before I buy it.
That's true. Clothes online sometimes look perfect in the picture, but not so perfect in real life.
Yes, I had that problem last month. I bought a shirt online and it was too small.
Oh no, I once bought shoes online, and they didn't fit. I felt like my feet had betrayed me.
That's funny. Do you return things easily?
Not really. I feel shy to return things. I usually just keep them and hope for a miracle.
I understand. Returning items can be a little stressful. What about shopping in big malls?
I enjoy big malls. They have many stores, bright lights, and sometimes free air conditioning.
Yes, malls are comfortable, but sometimes they are too crowded for me.
Crowded places make me tired. I prefer quiet times, like early morning.
Same here. When the store is empty, shopping feels relaxing.
Do you ever make a shopping list before you go out?
Yes, especially for groceries. Without a list, I forget everything.
I forget too. I go to buy milk, and I come home with chips and cookies.
That happens to me all the time. Grocery stores are full of temptations.
Exactly. Everything looks delicious, and my brain loses control.
Do you enjoy grocery shopping?
Sometimes. If I'm not hungry, it's fine. But if I'm hungry, shopping becomes dangerous.
Yes, hungry shopping makes the cart too full. I once bought 5 snacks by accident.
I think everyone has done that. Food just calls our name.
What about shopping for special events, like birthdays?
I like buying gifts. I enjoy choosing something that makes people smile.
That's sweet. I also like gift shopping, but I take a long time to decide.
Me too. I can walk around the store for 20 minutes just thinking.
Shopping can be fun, but also a little tiring sometimes.
Yes, but when I find the perfect item, it feels worth it.
So, let's talk about different shopping styles. Are you a fast shopper or a slow shopper?
I'm a slow shopper. I like to look at everything, even things I don't need.
I'm the same. I walk around and compare prices, colors, and sizes before I decide.
Yes, choosing carefully feels safer, but sometimes it takes me too long.
Do you ever buy things on impulse without planning?
Yes, sometimes. When something looks cute, my brain says, buy it now.
I know that feeling. Once I went to buy toothpaste and came home with a blanket.
That's amazing. I once bought a plant even though I don't know how to take care of plants.
What happened to the plant?
It survived for 1 week.
Poor plant. Do you like window shopping?
Yes, I do. It's fun to look without buying. It feels like a small adventure.
Same here. Window shopping helps me relax. I get ideas for future purchases.
Do you like shopping alone or with someone?
I prefer shopping alone. I move at my own speed and think clearly.
I enjoy shopping with a friend. We talk, laugh, and give each other advice.
That sounds fun too. Friends can suggest things we don't notice.
Yes, and they stop me from buying silly things.
Do you look for sales and promotions?
Always. I feel proud when I save money.
Same. A good deal makes me feel like a shopping champion.
What's your best shopping experience?
One time I found a nice jacket for half price. It felt like winning a prize.
That's great! My best moment was finding the perfect shoes on sale. They were comfortable and cheap.
Do you have any bad shopping experiences?
Yes. Once I bought a bag online, and it arrived broken. I felt so disappointed.
That's terrible. I once bought headphones that stopped working after 2 days.
Oh no, that's the worst. Cheap things sometimes bring trouble.
True. That's why I read reviews now. They help me choose better.
Good idea. Reviews save time and money.
So, let's talk about shopping for daily needs. Do you shop for groceries once a week or many times?
I shop many times. I always forget something, so I go back again and again.
I do weekly shopping. It saves time, but sometimes I run out of food earlier than I expect.
Yes, that happens to me too. Sometimes I think I have milk, but the bottle is empty.
Do you check prices when you shop?
Yes, I compare prices a lot. A small difference makes me choose another brand.
Same here. Saving money feels good, even if it's only a little.
Do you use a cart or a basket?
I use a cart. I always think I won't buy much, but my cart becomes full.
I use a basket, but sometimes it gets heavy and I regret my life choices.
What about shopping for clothes? Is it easy for you?
Not really. I try many things, and then I still can't decide.
Same. Choosing clothes takes forever for me. I stand in the mirror too long.
Do you care a lot about fashion?
A little. I like simple clothes that feel comfortable.
Me too. Comfort is more important than looking perfect.
Have you ever bought something you didn't need at all?
Oh yes, many times. I bought a small fan once, but I never used it.
I bought a hat once. I thought I looked cool, but I never wore it outside.
We all make funny shopping mistakes. It's part of the experience.
Do you like shopping at markets?
Yes, markets feel lively. You can talk to sellers and find fresh food.
I like markets too. The smells, colors, and sounds make shopping interesting.
Do you negotiate prices at markets?
Sometimes, but I'm not very good at it.
Me neither. I try to negotiate, but I end up paying the same price.
What is something you always buy when you shop?
Snacks. I try not to buy them, but they jump into my basket.
That happens to me too. Chips and chocolate just appear magically.
Do you shop more in the morning or evening?
Morning. The stores are peaceful and quiet.
I prefer evening. The day feels finished, and shopping helps me relax.
Do you ever shop when you're stressed?
Yes, sometimes. Shopping feels like therapy.
Same here, but I try to control myself when I feel emotional.
That's smart. Emotional shopping can be dangerous.
Do you plan your budget before shopping?
I try, but I don't always follow it.
I understand. Sometimes something nice catches your eye.
Yes, and then the money disappears.
Do you think shopping makes people happy?
Yes, but only when we shop responsibly. Too much shopping creates stress too.
Very true. Balance is important.
Talking about shopping today was very fun. It makes me want to buy something small now.
Me too. Maybe I'll buy some fruit or a new notebook.
Notebooks are dangerous. I buy them and never finish them.
Same here, but they always look so nice.
Thank you for the conversation. I enjoyed it a lot.
Thank you too. See you next time on Happy Smile English.
See ya, and good luck with your shopping this week.